What's up, Central Pennsylvania? This week, we're going to take a deeper dive onto what a lender actually looks at when evaluating credit. So when you go to get a loan, credit plays a very intricate part of whether or not that mortgage lender is going to lend you money. But let's take a deeper dive on what they evaluate specifically. First, credit depth. Credit depth is basically this. They want to look at the fact that you have an established history of paying loans, not for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, but multiple loans for multiple periods of time. Important to understand, each loan type has its own specifics on what they want to see. But in general, you need to have a credit score and you need to have documentable, payable history. If you don't have history on a credit report, sometimes you can use alternate forms of credit, such as car insurance payments, bills that you've paid monthly, like maybe a gym membership, and we can build a credit report so long as you have a score. One of the other things that they look at is payment history. Has this person paid on time? If they missed a payment, why was that payment missed? And providing a reasonable explanation. One thing I think it's important to understand is we don't see late payments on credit unless that payment is 30 days past due. So if you get a credit card statement in the mail, and let's say it's due on the 1st, but you paid it on the 2nd, right? 9 times out of 10, that's not going to be on your credit report as a late payment. It's not going to be on your credit report till it's 30 days past due. Some of the other things they look at is what I call significant derogatory events. Did you have a bankruptcy? What caused that bankruptcy? Did you have a foreclosure? What caused that foreclosure? Did you have a short sale? What caused that short sale? And how are you in a better financial situation now so that something like this won't happen again in the event you experience some hard times? Do you have additional reserves or savings in your accounts? How does your checking account look? Have you paid all your bills on time? Do you have NSF fees because you're constantly overdrawing your checking account and you can't balance a checkbook? All these things kind of intertwine, and sometimes if a borrower could be potentially marginal on a credit report, they will look at a banking profile to kind of determine if that borrower is going to repay us on the mortgage. These are some of just the basics. I could go on for hours about credit and the different things that get analyzed, but it's important to understand if you have specific questions, reach out to us at YorkPAMortgage.com and we'll take a deep dive on your personal situation. I'm happy to do it. We do it for people all the time, but the first step is a phone call. Let us know if we can help. Have a great week.